Hello, this video is a demonstration of my completed work on the PHP Motors template and homepage. And so here I have my template file, template.php file, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up in my browser. And you can see it's loaded from my local host. And so here is a template containing the header, the navigation, the main, and the footer. And it's also optimized for smaller screens. I just go ahead and select different screens, and you can see right here that it's adjusting to fit into the view of the screen. Okay, and the templates.php file also passes the CSS validation, as you can see, and as well it passes the HTML validation without any error. And finally, it also passes the wave evaluation tool without errors nor contrast errors. Okay, so that's it with the template page. And here I have the home.php file, and I'm just going to open it as well in the browser, and you can see the home page with the whole content as illustrated in the image. So I have the content with the layout. Okay, I also have this optimized for smaller screens. Okay, so you can see that I have the whole content in the view, and as instructed in the assignment requirement, I made sure that the view is optimized. Okay, so that's it for the responsiveness. And so I'm just going to go ahead and validate the page to demonstrate that the CSS validation works without errors, and the HTML validation also works without errors, and I also have the wave tool validation also works without errors. So that will be all for the demonstration of my completed assignment. Thank you very much.